It's official now, HTC is going to be releasing a smartphone on June 12th. While the initial teaser gave no info on which device it was going to be, our money was on the U24 Pro. Now, we know for a fact that it's the next phone in the U series. It is being speculated to be the HTC U24 and HTC U24 Pro. Back in April, HTC U24 Pro was spotted in the Google Play console. Also rumored HTC U24 Pro with model number 2QDA100 was spotted on Geekbench and Bluetooth SIG websites. It's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC paired with 12GB of RAM. With Android 14, the phone has been listed with scores of 3006 and 1095 points on the multi-core and single-core tests. The HTC U24 and HTC U24 Pro handsets are expected to come with upgrades over the previous lineup but are likely have 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz OLED displays as well as IP67 certifications for dust and water resistance. The upcoming models are also likely to pack larger batteries over the 4600 mAh batteries of the older smartphones. HTC U24 carries a triple rear camera unit with a 64-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The Pro model is equipped with a quad rear camera system which includes a 108-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 5-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Both phones have 32-megapixel front cameras. Upcoming smartphone will support Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. No other details about the handset are known yet. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.